So what actually causes bad breath? Inside your mouth, bacteria tend to break down food particles and they release some form of gases called volatile sulfur compounds. It is this gas that always leads to the bad breath. Mouth odor has been the reason some people have experienced social embarrassment. Other people have experienced a breakup in their relationship due to mouth odor. Some people too, they are unable to even go out and interact with people, so their self-confidence too has been reduced. So in today's video, I would want us to look at some of the possible causes of halitosis and also what to do in order to manage halitosis. I will explain everything in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Odour, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Now, here are these causes. The first thing is what we call dry mouth or xerostomia. Now, inside your mouth, saliva is very, very crucial because it helps wash a lot of bacteria from your mouth. Also, saliva itself is alkaline, and bacteria inside your mouth, they always like an acidic medium. The saliva neutralizes the acid in your mouth. Hence, they make it unbearable and unfavorable for the bacteria to function properly. But having dry mouth, this gives an optimal opportunity for the bacteria inside your mouth to now start acting on the tiny food particles inside your mouth. There are certain kind of links to this dry mouth. This include dehydration. If you're one kind of person that constantly you are always dehydrated, it can tip you to having dry mouth. There are also some kind of medications that can tip you into having dry mouth. This include antidepressants, some anti-hypertensive medications, antihistamines. There is also one particular medical condition that can tip you into always having dry mouth, and this is diabetes. The second thing that I would want us to look at is poor oral hygiene. If you're one kind of person that you don't brush properly or you don't floss your mouth properly, always there is buildup of food particles inside your mouth, and that gives an optimal opportunity for the bacteria to now act on the food particles. Hence, constantly they will be releasing these volatile sulfur compounds. Hence, constantly you'll be experiencing the halitosis or the mouth odor. The third thing that I would want us to look at is some particular medical conditions and also some dental related conditions. For instance, if you are having tooth decay itself can tip you into having this kind of halitosis or mouth odor. Also, some people might be having some gum diseases. Some people, you will notice that there is some form of dark stains underneath their gum, and that always can tip you into having this mouth odor. Some other medical conditions include tonsil stones or tonsillitis, and also chronic sinusitis. If you're one kind of person that always you have blocked nose, that one can also tip you into having this kind of halitosis alongside some other medical conditions. Now, let us look at what you need to do in order to manage this halitosis or the mouth odor. The first thing you need to do is that you need to be drinking water regularly, and that builds up the fluid inside your body. Hence, always you will not be having the dry mouth, and that will make saliva to always be inside your mouth to clear away majority of the bacteria. You need to also ensure proper hygiene, proper oral hygiene. Brush properly, floss your mouth properly, and you need to incorporate always brushing before you sleep. Brushing at night before you sleep, because that always remove a lot of these food particles inside your mouth. If none of these is linked to your halitosis, then you need to go and see your oral health doctor or your dentist so that they find out the actual cause of your halitosis. Okay, so a quick one. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to request or recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you want me to make a video on a specific topic, then drop it in the comment section. I will then make sure that I make a video on the request you've made in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I am Odour, a licensed physician assistant by profession.